Grabe ang lakas ng wildfire sa LA. Nakakaawa yung mga nawala ng bahay. But have you ever thought, what if this happens to you? Are you sure you're covered ka ng insurance mo? Because not all home insurance policies cover disasters like wildfire and earthquakes or floods. Madalas malalaman lang ng homeowners na hindi pala sila covered kapag too late na. Kaya it's super important na basahin ang fine print. Ask your insurance provider what exactly is covered. And do I need extra coverage for disaster? If your place is known for flooding or earthquake, baka hindi sapat ng basic insurance lang. Kailangan mo ng extra coverage na talagang akma sa risk ng lugar mo. Alam mo, insurance isn't just about the peace of mind. It's about financial security kapag may unexpected na nangyari.